am so excited about these. I got them at the dumpster. So these are about the dumpster, and I think I am gonna grab them. I got them for free. I cannot believe someone would throw these out. But I have been wanting to get something like this because I've seen this picture on Pinterest. I'll put it up right here. And I've wanted to make something like this. So I'm so excited that I found these. And maybe we'll do it, maybe we won't, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some hot water and some soap and wipe it all down. Okay, now I'm gonna try to sand down the tops of them and see how it does. I am using 150 grit for this sand job. Finally done sanding. It took so long, and now I need to wipe it down again and then stain them. I'm so excited! Actually, I think I changed my mind. I think I'm going to hand sand the rest of the legs just a little bit, so that I don't have to sand after staining. Day 2 of working on these, and I decided last night not to go ahead and sand them all last night and wait until today because I was sanding for an hour and a half and I knew that my neighbors hated me. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to sand down the spots that need wood filling, and then I'm going to use this. I have never done this before, but I did watch a YouTube video about it, so we'll see how it goes. I stole it from my dad, so let's just get into it right now. Okay, before we can put the wood filler in there, we need to go ahead and wipe it down again with some hot water and soap. God, that smells so bad. Alright. Smells like nail polish, honestly. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like. Is this stuff expired? Alright, it says to use a ratio of 16 to 1. It says you only have 15 minutes to put it on before it hardens, but if it does, I'll just get and mix more. I feel like it's not supposed to be this slimy. I wonder if this stuff expires. I feel like because it's so sunny, it is drying quicker, so I'm having less time to get it together. But I've done about 3 chairs out of the 4, so I'm going to go ahead and do the 4th off camera. Now all of the wood filler has dried, so now I'm going to go over it with a sander. I am also using, I think it's 150. My sanding paper is literally holding on by a thread. I think it's time for a new one. Okay, so I am finally done sanding, and now I am going to wipe it down again, and then I'll finally get to go into staining the top of them. It is the moment I have been waiting for. We finally get to stain the tops of them. This is what I'm using. go ahead and just take the top just to make sure that no paint gets on it. And then I think I'm going to swatch I think I'm either going to do white or black. So I'm going to paint one of the legs just to see which one I like better. So this is the white color, and it is a painter and a primer. All right, let's see how it looks. So this is what the white looks like. I'm not sure I like it. All right, let's try the black now. For the black, I'm gonna use this charcoal color. I don't know which one I like better. I honestly might do a poll. Okay, so while I wait for people to vote on my Instagram story, if you're not following my Instagram, it's kelsey.schneller. I think I'm going to paint, I'm pretty sure about this, I don't think I'm gonna ask, but I think I want the legs right here, where people put their feet, to be this color. Now that I look at that, I don't think I like it. Yeah, I really don't think I like it. Finished painting all of them, so now I'm going to take 220 grit sandpaper and sand it down just to get rid of any of the texture and just to smooth it all out. So I'm just going to take a dry towel and just wipe it down. So now I am going to paint the second coat. Guys, we are almost done with these chairs. All we have to do is paint this top coat on it and take pictures for Facebook Marketplace and post them on there. And then we are saying goodbye to these chairs. I really, really love how they turned out, so I really don't want to see them go, but that's just how it goes. Alright, so I'm officially finished with them and I am about to take the pictures of them and put them on Facebook Marketplace. Okay guys, we sold that within less than 2 hours and I am going to drop it off today. Technically she's coming to pick it up, but I don't like to give people my address, so I'm going to the Home Depot near my place and drop it off right now. I am using